Hey guys, I'm here making a video on how to install your AoonuAuto door stills. I buy all my LED stuff for my car from AoonuAuto because they make scrumptious stuff for your car. But anyway, before I show you this video, I just want to tell you guys that I see a lot of videos out there that just directly plug and play. Remember, these things are expensive and they're made with love, unlike other products that you get that are just thrown in and there you go. But I made sure to hook it up the right way, and I also put a fuse just in case anything is to happen. You never know, because I do have a system in my car. I have a lot of LED stuff in my car. I race with my car, so you always got to make sure you have protection for these, because this, I don't think you're going to pay $130 again for a brand new pair of 4. So at that, let's get cracking. All right, so here is she needs a wipe. Sorry, it's been raining the past couple of days and I haven't been in my car lately. I have been just chilling, and because of this whole corona thing, so when I'm not working, I am just doing this and chilling. But okay, so first things first, you always want to make sure you have something protecting your door stills. So what I have done is, hold on, let me show you. I put a relay in there and a fuse relay. Where's my fuse? So I can show everybody in the world. Boom. So just in case anything has to happen, I didn't have a 15 laying around, only had a 40. So, but I will be changing that to a 15, so that way, just in case anything gets to happen, it could short out faster. But for now, for the time being, I'll just leave the 40 there. So I connected all the power and to the relay, and the main power, as you can see, I made a braided coil so that way it's much stronger. It's all the way up there, so it's getting its power from there. And reminder, it only comes on and off when I open up the door and close it. So besides that, it is a very simple hookup. You can choose to go into your wire harness and go in there and find the color of the wire, but to me, cutting the wire harness on this important harness will give you problems later on in the future. So I said forget that and let me just do it the right way. So I did it the right way. That's how I did it. You know, hooked up power, grounded it next to it. Where's my ground? I always forget where I put the ground. But it's somewhere around here somewhere. I don't know. Oh, right there. Boom. I put the ground right there. Nice little ground. And then you just put the power up there. And that's it. I don't like it with my... And this is uncovered because you just never know. God, I am such a... Oh, I can't even use my thumb properly. Okay, so that's done. And then what I did was I wired the male. I wired the male into the power, and then I clicked it in. And then from there, you just simply hide the wires, tuck in the wires, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. That's it. Then after that, when you're done doing that, after you're done hooking up the relay, like I said, the relay is connected from the power from my dome light, and then I put the ground right there. It is a very simple hookup. And then all from there, you just got to do is crimp some wires or clip the wires that it comes with, as you could see, put them in there and just connect them in there in the right way. So that way you don't have to keep on going into the wire harnesses on each side. You could just loop, connect, loop, connect. And like I said, anything that you spend money on, you always want to make sure that everything is covered. Everything. Because these things are expensive. These are not cheap at all. I mean, you could get cheap ones, but they will die on you. These ones are kind of like lifetime guaranteed, just because of the fact that how strong they make it. And they make it, it's not like it's already made. They make it as you order it. So yeah, that's how it's installed. Thank you, AoonuAuto. Have a great day.